CFOs don't ask, can we make this? They ask, should we make this? And I use the same rule before I create any content. Most creators don't need more content ideas. They need a way to eliminate bad ones faster. Here's the 3-question filter I use before I write, record, or design. Is it reusable? Does it reduce confusion? Can it serve a system? Let me show you how I use it. Inside the decision filter, I run each idea through 3 questions. Right here, reusable, confusion, and serves the system. If it's yes to all of them, then it's a green light. If it's no to any of them, it says do not post, and I park it or delete it, and there's no wasted time or effort. This is how I stay consistent and calm without chasing every idea. In the next video, I'll show you how the system handles performance. Thanks for watching.